You guys want to hear a solo?
No, that's really okay.
Sorry, I sweet-ass music. Seen plenty of people all over the years, from heroes that have blood with their pitiful tears, thinking that they'll save a loved one from below. Oh no, oh no, oh no. They'll think they'll back down for a good trip, but it don't work like that. So here's the tip. You ain't getting out. We got ya and we ain't letting go. Oh no, after your DOA and you're here to stay. Never stop, never, never get away. I tried showing it to some music producers, but they told me the music industry is dead. So I said, so are you! And I put them in the field of punishment. It's right over there. Maybe death metal isn't your thing. That's fine. We have all the greats around here. Mozart, Janis Joplin, Kurt Cobain. Who do you feel like listening to?
Do you have any Jess Daly?
Huh? Do it? What?
Where? You know she's alive, right? We will, eventually.
Yeah.
Reading souls, we get our dreams from the river Styx.
Gentlemen and ladies, it's Hades who runs the show.
Whoa, look! It's the BM Boys Choir. They crashed their butts on the way to see the Vatican.
They're kids.
They're lucky. Their voices will never change now. Alright, down here, your DOA.